Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I am basically covering another interesting tool which is developed by Amazon Web Services and it is called OpenSearch. So let me open a browser and show the official documentation of OpenSearch and what basically, and I have also prepared my whiteboard as well. And in this whiteboard, I will be covering all those things in this video, and in the next video I will cover these things. And so let me cover now this section, what basically an OpenSearch is. OpenSearch is a distributed engine and distributed search and analytics engine. So first of all, let me focus on distributed. Distributed means that OpenSearch can basically handle a very large, even terabytes of data very efficiently, and how it does with the help of distributing that data into submachines. It doesn't, for example, if it receives about let's say 500 GB of data. What it will do, it will not store all the 500 GB of data on a single machine, but it will distribute it into simple, you should say, shards. Shards is a concept of a little chunks of data, and I will basically cover shards in detail in the next video. So, but in this video, let's just have a very uh, very small amount of concept that distributed basically means that it handles a very large amount of data by distributing that data into small chunks, and those small chunks are called shards. In that is an open search terminology. So like if it has 500 GB of data, it will distribute it into shards. Each shard will have, let's say, 50 GB of data. This is all customizable, that to how much shards we want to, into how much shards we want to distribute our whole data. And whenever then we will try to search on this data, OpenSearch is very intelligent and it will know that to which shard it should search into. So it will directly go into that shard, and in this way the searching will be very efficiently. Okay, that is our next focus, that it is a search engine as well. uh, it can handle, basically it is a NoSQL based search engine. It is itself a database, a NoSQL database, like MongoDB, Firebase, Firestore. OpenSearch is itself a DB, a NoSQL based DB with concepts of documents and indexes, and using those indexes, searching is done very efficiently by OpenSearch. And it is an analytics engine as well. How? Because uh, by handling that large amount of data, it because its searching is very efficient, it can perform analytics on it as well, by in visualization form, in the form of graphs, charts, bars. Basically here you can see this in this picture, that OpenSearch has one another module, which is OpenSearch dashboard. Let me also show you. This is OpenSearch dashboard, is another module of OpenSearch, and in the OpenSearch module, it has different sections, and where it can show a very large amount of data in the form of graphs, charts, bars, and other tool as well. Here on my local setup, where I have locally set up with the help of Docker container, uh, on port 5601, here you can see that it on the sample database, OpenSearch is showing me all the visualization forms it has present. So that was a quick overview, and it is basically built by AWS. And what is behind the scenes on OpenSearch? It is a Lucene library built by Apache, as they are mentioning this here as well in the intro section. Based analytics engine based on Apache Lucene. What is basically Apache Lucene? Lucene is a core search library which is developed by Apache. So this is a main algorithm which is being implemented behind the scenes in OpenSearch. So I have already mentioned this thing that it is also a DB as well. We cannot basically here you can see, is OpenSearch a database? OpenSearch, you cannot say that it is a database, but you can also say it. OpenSearch can be a loosely defined as a database, but more accurately, it is a distributed search engine. It is most commonly known as a distributed search engine, but you can also say it a database as well. So that is a main that was the main introduction of OpenSearch, and what are the main use cases of OpenSearch as well. It is used in as a search engine as well, as I've already mentioned, in behind the scenes on Wikipedia and also on Amazon. Amazon e-commerce store, it is being used as a search engine, and logs visualization. You can say that not only for logs, but visualization of very large amount of data in a very efficient manner. It can help us in visualization of those things as well. And what is the main reason of its use as a search engine? Because of its very efficient algorithm. Maybe the leucine is the main reason behind the scenes for this. And it uh, a quick search, I think I should give a quick example of its quick searching as well. Here you can see that this is a JSON file with almost 9,350 lines of data, or you can see that how much data is present. Here is the sequence ID. So maybe this is 467273734. Okay, this is okay. We have a data with almost 4,674 indexes, and let me search this data with the help of get. This is a get query on OpenSearch node service. And what is this query doing? This query is basically searching all the products on this JSON file where customer first name is Sonia. And let me, oh, as you can see, it parses all that data, and it has returned me all those products within 429 milliseconds. That is totally amazing. So that is the main prominent feature of OpenSearch, that of its very efficient searching.